Yo, what's up, guys? What's going on? What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Crazy night again last night for XCN. Hit all the way up to 5 cents. I think we wicked up to 5 cents last night. We're gonna look at the chart in a minute, but yeah, we wicked right up there to 5 cents. We'll have a look at the chart. Like I said, I ended up doing an impromptu live stream at like 1 in the morning for like 2 hours last night, so I'm a little bit tired today. But so far, so good, guys. Let's have a look at what's going on. Exciting times. Everyone was euphoric last night. We're going to have a look at Jasmy, clear up some misinformation as well. Jasmy up 1.2% on the day, down 7.7 on the week, down 20.4 on the month, but up 427% on the year. One spot in rank to the upside, guys. $1.34 billion market cap. So the market cap's kind of climbing back up, but the volume's still atrocious, 87.79. If we're going to get a breakout there, we need a couple hundred million in volume so far. Not in the cards, but just treading sideways, guys. So people have been asking me if it's a good idea to DCA right now, and I would say yes. That would be my opinion on it, guys. DCAing would be the best option right now at these prices. XCN up 44.5% on the day, 238% on the week, 1,685 on the month, and a ridiculous 2,893% on the year. That's insane. We're up 23 spots in rank to 84, $1.25 billion market cap. So yes, you heard me correctly. We 80. 86. We're right up there with Jasmy in terms of market cap. Last night it actually passed Jasmy in market cap, but then has recently fallen back down below. Crazy. This thing went about 2 weeks ago from about a $50 million market cap to a 1.20 billion. Crazy. A lot of profits, man. A lot of profits out there, guys. The volume is spiking as well right now, still up 1.48 billion. The volume is higher than the market cap right now, guys. That's insane. Let's go look at the Jasmy chart and see what's going on. All right, so starting the day green here, guys. We're probably going to reject off the 100-day SMA again. We've hit it 5 out of 7 days. We've rejected off there. We got to break above that if we want to see any momentum to the upside. And for that to happen, we need some volume to come into the market. And that is not happening either right now. I don't think volume is going to come in until after the FOMC meeting tomorrow, if I'm being honest. We got Powell speaking tomorrow, so we'll see what he has to say. I think there's a lot of uncertainty right now and people waiting to see what happens. So let's go look at Onyx Coin's chart. Now look at that. We wicked all the way up to 5 cents to the top of this giant golden pocket I put in here. 5 cents. Sitting right now 3 cents 8.7. Man, it was crazy last night. It was crazy. But look at this. It's got no chill. Came up here, consolidated for a week, pumped up, consolidated for 3 days, pumped up. Where will we end today? That's going to be the interesting question, right? Can we get back to 5 cents today, or are we going to cool off because it's Sunday? Here's what I would say, guys. People have been asking me if they should take profits. If Powell says anything negative tomorrow, the market's going to dump. So use that in whichever way you want in terms of whether you should be taking profits or not. Are you willing to risk Powell dumping the market tomorrow and seeing a retrace back down to probably around this area here, around that 2 cents 3.4 area? And that's not guaranteed that that's what's going to happen. But again, if Powell dumps the market, you will see that retrace. If Bitcoin dumps down to about 101,000, which let's go look at the Bitcoin chart right now. If Powell does say anything negative, I think we will come down at least touch the right about here. Probably touch right around there. Even if I'm not saying we'll stay down there long, but if he dumps the market, that's where we're coming. And if we come down from 105 to 101, altcoins are going to dump too. So, like I said, I think everything's on standstill. That's why we can't seem to get through this sell wall here at 106,200, because everyone wants to see what Powell says tomorrow about the economy. And then the market will respond in whichever direction he's leaning, right? And I've said before, guys, that because Trump called him out and said he was demanding rate cuts, we may see Powell strike back and be adversarial to that. And if he is, we're going to see a little bit of a dip. So hopefully you have some dry powder. I just tell you this, guys, so that you can be ready for it, be prepared for it, right? All right, let's look at a couple of things from Jasmy first here. Again, checking out Neo Xtrix, friend of the channel. Make sure you guys give him a follow. He says it's important to clarify something. As there's so much nonsense being said about Jasmy due to emotional reactions and the ignorance of some, trading digital currencies on Japanese national exchanges is equivalent to the stock market listings. Japan is extremely selective when it comes to its exchanges, and S-coins have no place in their highly regulated market. So it's a lot harder. It's almost impossible in Japan to get listed anywhere if you're a meme coin, essentially. Do not let yourself be influenced by rumors and a few overexcited individuals who know absolutely nothing about Japanese regulations. Fantastic tips. And then this person here, he's responding to this person here saying it is worthless to mention that Japan is the first country in the world to enact laws related to crypto assets, as it is the first country to adopt strict regulatory measures on crypto assets. That's just someone being ignorant. I agree. It is very important to have been the first country to enact regulations for crypto. It's a very big deal, right? Something Japan should be proud of. So yeah. More from Neo. He says Jasmy is working tirelessly to make its platform the #1 revolutionary digital space for data exchange. The aggregation of detailed data is still going on in Japan. And the next step will be to connect platinum data to individual information. Data collection through IoT devices is also important, is also an important part of this process. This approach will enable businesses and local governments to better understand the needs of customers and citizens in order to provide tailored services and formulate relevant policies. Afterwards, implementing a fair reward system for data providers will be essential to building a just and balanced data economy. Absolutely. Let's get into some Onyx coin updates here, guys. So again, courtesy, you know him, you love him, my guy, my brother from another mother, Jetpack in the house, supplying some research. Once again, check out the continued acknowledgement. We're talking Roman Reigns style acknowledgement here for Onyx coin in the general crypto media. Onyx coin's meteoric rise, a deep dive into its recent surge. The ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, for few stories are as compelling as the recent surge of Onyx coin XCN. Over the past week, XCN has skyrocketed by an astonishing 475%, with a remarkable 45% increase in just 24 hours. You love to see these headlines out there, guys. And on top of that, key factors driving growth. Onyx coin has emerged as a viable option for integration. Its role as both a governance and utility token enhances its appeal, attracting institutional interest and boosts credibility and potential adoption, making it a go-to choice for those looking to participate in DeFi. Absolutely, guys. Absolutely. Now, can Onyx coin get to 45 cents? Again, courtesy of Jetpack, and I've done my own video on this, comparing XCN now to XRP in 2017. Tokenomics are better on XCN, but the price was the same, and the market cap is the same as well. So you definitely want to check that video out. And my calculation said that yes, Onyx coin could get to 40 cents in this bull run this year. By 2025, it's estimated to range between 45 cents and 70 cents, with an average price of 57 cents. And then they go on and they say in 2026, it could go to 56 cents to 77 cents, which I disagree with, because 2026 will be a bear market. The market also expects JP Morgan to invest in the continued development and enhancement of the Onyx protocol, along with the advancements in blockchain technology, which could further bolster the utility and value propositions offered by XCN. And to top all of that off, guys, the #1 gainer on CoinMarketCap, you saw it here first, Onyx coin, and it was #1 by a long shot. Look at this, 408% on the week. Everything else, not even close. 27.3% was the closest. XCN taking over, man, and moving up in rank. Like I said, it's in what, the 80s now. It's ranked number 83. Absolutely insane. But as always, guys, I want to know what you guys think. Can Onyx coin get to 40 cents? And also, once again, guys, Patreon has absolutely exploded to a ridiculous amount. Just, people are loving the live video calls that we do. We go live over there twice a day, once in the afternoon, once in the evening, and the amount of help that people are getting. And here's why people want to join primarily. This is one of the key factors, is that we called XCN over a year ago over on the Patreon. We have printed off so many 7-digit portfolios for our Patreon members right now. 6 more people told me yesterday that their portfolios finally hit 7 digits, guys, right? And so many others have hit high 6 figures. That's what we're doing over there. That's the goal, is to make everybody, is to help everybody get to a 7-figure digit portfolio for now. And then in the next bear market, going into the next bull run, we're going to blow people's minds with these calls, guys. If you don't believe me, you can go and ask for yourself in the chat. Or in the comment section of any video. I'm sure any of the Patreon members over there will be happy. Or join the our lives here on YouTube and ask in the live and get other people's opinions that are already over there. I don't even have to tell you guys, right? We're nailing these things. We hit XCN. We were buying it for over a year, and people are up over 3,000% on that call, guys. And just so you know, next week, just a couple of days from now, I'm dropping the next one that's going to move just like this one, if not more, guys. You don't want to miss out on these calls. You want to get in early on this stuff. You don't want to be buying stuff like XCN. Like, is it a good buy still? Because it could go to 40 cents. Yeah. But you don't want this to be your entry point. You want your entry point to be where we were buying it at 2.012 of a penny, right? You want to be up over 3,000%, not be up 400%, right? So you got to get over there, guys. Check it out. The link is down below. And on top of all of that, you can also book one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. So you get all of that, guys. Check it out. The link's down below. Join the group video calls. Get in early on these plays. Schedule your one-on-one coaching AMAs and so much more. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.